Welcome to this throat chakra energy clearing meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to allow the eyes to close and bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the breath coming in and the breath going out. Just notice the breath, no need to force it. Notice the gap in between each breath, the gap before you breathe in and the gap before you breathe out. Becoming relaxed and bringing your awareness to the head and relaxing the forehead, letting go of thoughts, relaxing the eyes, the face, the jaw, the neck, moving down to the shoulders, releasing any tension in the shoulders, taking the relaxation down through the arms, hands, and fingers. Relaxing the chest, releasing any tension in the chest and heart area. The upper and lower back relaxing now. The stomach, releasing any tension or stress. Moving down through the lower part of the body, the thighs, the knees, the calves and the feet. Become aware of the earth below you. Imagine you're connected to this earth. Start by visualizing a beam of light from the top of your head that goes downwards through the whole body, and imagine the beam of light coming out through the soles of the feet. See this beam of light spreading out like roots of a tree, and visualize these roots as they go deeper and deeper into the earth. Feel yourself going deeper and deeper into relaxation. And throughout this meditation, you will feel safe and secure as you know that you are grounded to the earth. Imagine yourself in a beautiful meadow with soft green grass and coloured flowers all around. You can hear the sounds of a river stream flowing effortlessly and peacefully. The sun is sneaking through the large trees near the river stream. This is your special meadow. You can feel, hear, and smell nature all around you. You are the only one here, no one to bother you feeling grounded to the earth. Nothing for you to do but relax. You make yourself comfortable somewhere in the meadow, maybe on the soft grass, or maybe there's a lovely lounge with fluffy cushions for you to lie in. Whatever is comfortable for you. You lay down where you feel comfortable and at peace, enjoying this wonderful, calm, serene place. As you're lying there, you now start to become aware of the fifth energy center, known as the throat chakra, located in the center of the throat. This throat chakra is related to the color blue. It is related to sound, speech, and communication. Visualize this as a rotating blue sphere of energy, pulling positive energy from the universe into your body and releasing old blocked energies and any negative emotions, replacing it with only positive energy. Continue to visualize the color blue. And as you do this, focus on feelings of self-expression and communication. As the blockages are releasing, imagine a blue lotus flower with 16 petals in the throat area, fully opening. As you bring yourself back into the room, becoming aware of the sounds and energy around you, knowing that you are always connected to this earth, take in a deep breath, exhale, and open your eyes.